Hi, good morning everyone. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine there. I welcome you in our programming online training program of SIHI. Today's my subject is computer technology 2, but it is for both batch, like batch 11 and batch 12. You can watch this video and you can do practice at home. For our topic is virtualization, so you can do practice on virtualization. I will explain you about virtualization. What is virtualization? What are the benefits of virtualization? So you can just have a look. And today I will show you about introduction. What is hypervisor? Benefits of VM virtualization and types of virtualization. So virtualization is a technology to run multiple same or different operating system which is completely isolated from each other, run both Windows and Linux. Even you can install run Macintosh or Sun Solaris. Okay, so any operating system, if you want to install, you can install on virtual machine. You can make your own virtual machine. What is hypervisor? Hypervisor is a software layer set between hardware and OS, which will interact with hardware and resource and provide an interface to share the available resources to virtual containers. So here I will show you like what is hypervisor. Hypervisor is a small software, okay, which we will install on computer. So if you will install this software on computer, so you will able to install all your like virtual machine on it. Okay, so types of hypervisor. There are two types of hypervisor: bare metal hypervisor and hosted hypervisor. What is bare metal hypervisor? Here you can see there is a host machine. Host machine means anything, any hardware machine, like it will be a server, it will be a desktop machine, maybe it will be your laptops. Okay, if you have a good configuration of machine, so you can do your virtualization. So first see this look. This is hardware. Okay, on this hardware you will install hypervisor. Okay, directly on hardware. Before usually what we do on hardware we install operating system, and then on operating system we install applications like Microsoft Office and any business other applications. Okay, it's like that. But in bare metal hypervisor, on hardware you will install hypervisor, and on hypervisor you will install virtual machines. VM means virtual machine 1, virtual machine 2, 3, 4, as on. If your hardware is good, you can install many operating system or virtual machines. There are like vendor of hypervisor, many like VMware, Microsoft Hyper-V, Citrix, Zen Server. There are, for this bare metal hypervisor, these are the brands which you can install on your server. Then hosted based hypervisor, as I said you before, first is hardware, then you will install operating system. On operating system you will install hypervisor. Okay, and then on that hypervisor you will install virtual machines. And for that there are vendors: VMware Workstation, Microsoft Virtual PC, Sun VirtualBox, Oracle, even Citrix also. Okay, so now we will see about types of types of systems virtualization. As I showed you in previous slide, so there are like two types of hypervisor: bare metal and hosted hypervisor. So here you can see again the same thing. What is bare metal hypervisor. There is your hardware, CPU, RAM, your LAN card and your hard disk. Okay, on this hardware you install hypervisor, and then on that hypervisor you will install directly VMs, virtual machines. But in the other case, on hosted based hypervisor, you will on hardware you will install operating system, and in that operating system you will install VMs. VMs means virtual machines. And now we will see types of hypervisor. There are many types of hypervisor, like server virtualization, desktop virtualization, application virtualization, memory, storage, data, and network. So this is a very big and vast topic, but for all of you, I make it very short to make you understand. And here we go. Next, server virtualization vendor. There are 4 major vendors for server hypervisor: VMware, ESX, Citrix, Zen Server, Microsoft Hyper-V, and Red Hat RHEV hypervisor. For desktop machine, for desktop virtualization, the vendor will be the same, okay, for server. So user desktop run on data server as virtual machine, secure by design. Multiple OSs run on the same hypervisor. Centralized management, shared resource with maximum utilization. Support multimedia, memory, intensive app on VMs. So these are the benefits. Like what is the benefits of you installing hypervisor is you have one machine with 4 GB RAM example, and now you want to do practice. You have operating system. I'm talking about for a desktop, okay, or laptop you have at home. So you can install this VMware hypervisor on your desktop machine. So when after installation, if you want to, you have Windows 10, but you want to do practice on Linux, or like you want to do practice on Windows 7. So after installation of VMware, you can create a virtual machine, and then you can install all the operating system like Linux and Windows 7 on the same machine. So what will like you can do practice on that. Okay. Now, if you have any questions, you can ask me through WhatsApp. We are there on WhatsApp, so if you need any help, we are there for you. And the most important thing, the batch 11 and batch 12 students, if you are watching the video, please subscribe the CHI online training channel, because you will be updated for all further videos from all the instructors of CHI, including me. So, and if you have any questions, you can WhatsApp us. We will give you a response on that. And I really appreciate that you are watching this video. Thank you very much.